Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I am going to attempt to do this beautiful dress a little justice. Now, this dress from ZESICA is absolutely amazing. I love all the very fine details of it. It has a really nice fitted smocked top with a beautiful V-neck. I also love that in the shoulders, it has just a slight puffy sleeve, which give it just a really nice extra touch. One of my favorite features is the super cute cuffed long sleeves as well. I really love the tiered layer of this dress. It makes it so comfortable and flowy that you just automatically feel really nice, comfortable, and confident in it. The length of this dress for me personally is perfect. I'm about 5'2", and in a size small, it hits me a few inches above my ankles. Every time I wear this dress, I get so many compliments. It's just so cute and flowy and extremely flattering, I believe, on every body style. I love it, especially in this transition time from winter into spring, where it's a little bit chilly, but also you don't want to be too hot. The dress is breezy enough and cool enough to keep you cool, but also the long sleeves are perfect to help keep you warm too. And that's my point of view.